Welcome to our channel MaGix. Now see this, we are watching the live trade in Nifty. Nifty as of now it is ready to break down, and now this trade can be taken, initiated. 18,000 put option. As of now the price is trading above all the CPR levels, then moving averages, all the things. Here it can be initiated for the target of 132, near about one above 120. Here itself now it can be initiated on the current price. Stop loss should be under this first candle, this one. It's a weekly expiry today, but we can initiate this trade for the first half, the first trade of the day. The stop loss should be under this candle, this first candle. It should not be more than that, because if it crosses this, it will come down to these levels also. But now as it has started moving up the put option, this is the put option, we can initiate our targets here near about this level. We will be booking our targets there. If it moves faster than that, we will just trail our stop loss. After closing of this candle, this particular candle, we will trail our stop loss under this CPR level here. Now our stop loss is here at the moment under this candle. We have initiated the trade now. It may pause here for a while, Nifty, as it is the bottom of the channel. As you can see, this is the bottom of the channel. But if it breaks this channel, then it will drop down fast, it will move fast down, and we can get the targets here itself, at least this support. So let's see what happens. As of now, Bank Nifty is also weak, so there are chances that it will drop down now itself. And if Bank Nifty reaches this level, 38,500 levels, then it will consolidate over here. It will struggle here, it will go sideways. But now there are chances that it will travel down. See, it has started to travel down, Bank Nifty also and Nifty also. Yes, Nifty has given the breakdown, but the channel level is also broken. Now see, our trade is traveling up, and we can trail our stop loss under this. Here we will trail our stop loss. Yes, it's working. At least we have taken the trade over here near about levels here. This cross here is not coming. Yes, we must wait for the targets. Then only we can earn. Here it is struggling, as there was previous support, but it will break that support and come to these support levels. This one, 17,880 levels. It will break 17,800 very easily. Let's see. As of now, Bank Nifty is also driving down slow and steadily. I think the market will be trending in the first half. In the CE option, the premium is dragging down. In the P option, the premium is going up, rising up. See this, we have taken the trade. How we have taken the trade, that I will explain it at the last. But now let's focus on booking the profit. Yes, it is dragging down at 17,900. It may face a little bit support because the open interest at this 17,900 is huge. If the 17,900 level is broken, the short sellers of 17,900 will cover their positions, and from there it will travel directly to the 17,800 levels, near about 850 levels. We can see the target at these levels, 875, 880 or somewhere here. Let's hope so that we will get these targets at least. If it returns from here, we have trailed our stop loss now. We will not allow it to hit our stop loss. As soon as this candle closes, we will trail our stop loss under this candle now, this third candle. Not under this third candle, but this upper level of the CPR. It's facing the support at 17,900 levels, but I think 17,900 level will be broken because sellers are trying since last 2 days to push the market down. It has taken the strong support on 17,900 level, but still we will wait in this trade. We have trailed our stop loss under this at the moment. Bank Nifty is holding its level actually, that's why it's not dragging down. Bank Nifty is having the support over there, and that's why it's not dragging down. Still we have to wait for some more time. It may just retest this level and again drop down. Let's see what happens. We are still in the trade. So guys, now here we have achieved our targets. The levels at where we were expecting our target, these were the levels, and now we have achieved our target of levels 132. So I'm expecting the market to be trending, that's why we will trail our stop loss under this here somewhere. Some of you, if you want to trail your stop loss, you can trail over here. Otherwise we can wait for more profits also, or we can book our partial profits also over here. We have achieved the target, initial target. Our entry was here somewhere. Here we took the entry, our stop loss was here, and now we have achieved our target as we have decided to take the targets at this level. We have achieved our first targets. Still the market is in the trending phase as it is making lower lows and lower highs. The market may go trending as 17,900 put writers have started their positions to be square off. They have started to cover their positions. So market may go still more trending downside. We can get more targets downside. But as of now, as our target has achieved, we will book our targets over here, at least partial targets, so that we will not be in the loss, and we will trail our stop loss for the other remaining quantity over here under this candle. If it goes up faster, then it's alright, otherwise we will exit our all the positions over here. Thanks guys, this is how we can take our live trade with the live commentary. I have initiated a trade over here, then this was a pullback, this was considered as a pullback, then again it traveled and we achieved our targets. We have taken this trade as, see here, I'm going to clear all these things. Then we have taken this trade as here was an inside candle on the 5-minute chart, then it crossed the CPR over here. We initiated a trade over here. Firstly, even some of you might have taken the profits over here. We can take the first trade profit over here also, but we decided to take the profits at these levels, okay. So we waited till now, and now see we have booked here some initial profits, then we have trailed our stop loss over here, and still it is going up. Now the next targets we can get here, somewhere we can get our next targets here or here, these levels. Still 30 or 40 points we can get, because as the market is going trending now. But this is a strong support. Can we still wait in this trade? Now it has already given us nice profit. It's already 166. We have taken the trade at this 88 level somewhere here, right? Here we have taken the trade. It has already traveled a lot. We can get more targets also, no doubt in that. We can wait till this support in the Nifty 17,700 means 17,800 levels. We can wait. Still 30 points, 30-40 points we can wait, as Bank Nifty also had broken its support, and Bank Nifty will face the support at this level, 38,500 levels. 38,500 will be a psychological support for the Bank Nifty, and 17,800 will be the psychological support for the Nifty. So we can still wait for some more time, but if we want to book the profit at this level, it will be alright, because we have gained more than near about 80 points over here, 70-80 points. So that is more than enough actually. And now the moving averages are also scattered, and it is far away from the moving average, so we can book the profits over here also. All the profits, or even partial profits, can be booked, and some more time we can wait. We can get actually this target also, this one, this CPR level target here somewhere we can get the targets above 200 levels. But it's okay that we have got more than enough targets now, so we can go over here also. Minute candle, stick pattern, we will see what is happening. Still the last candle has given the closing at its bottom. 15 minutes there is no as such buying at the bottom, and 17,800 will be considered as a psychological support, so we can still wait for these levels also. This one here somewhere we can get the, actually now it is at the support only, and this support, this was just a spike to downside. This is actually a strong support, but it has broken actually. We can wait for this support, all these targets to get here somewhere, 17,800, somewhere like that. But we have gained a lot of profit over here, so we can exit at this point also. This is how we can take a trade. This is a good example on the expiry day. This happens very less days, means in a month once or in 2 months once, that the expiry days are trending in such a way. Actually the thing was that since last 2 days, 2-3 days, the sellers were trying to bring the market down, but the buyers were defending it. See here, this day, this was the day sellers tried here strongly. From here there was a drop down, but buyers defended it and brought the market up. Then again sellers tried from here for bringing down the market. It was a huge gap down over here previous day, but still there also buyers defended. But now from here there was a sell off again, and buyers squared up their positions, and we got nice profit over here. So this is actually a trading psychology, nothing else. In this way only we can trade. See, still Nifty is dragging down. Can we wait for some more time? Yes, we can still wait for some more time, because as buyers are not trying much over here at this position. So I think as the Bank Nifty has dropped down and Bank Nifty has broken its support levels, it will still drag down more. Buyers, I think they are not too much interested over here. If this low is broken again in the Bank Nifty, this will drag down and this will carry the Nifty with it to its 17,800 levels. So let's hope so. We can still be in trade, but if the profit is more than enough, we can book our targets over here. As it is struggling, when we are taking the trade on the put side now, it should travel fast. When we are in the on the call side, on the long side, we can wait, no problem. But as it is an expiry days, there will be a fast drag down of the premium, so we should book our profits actually time to time. Wherever we get the opportunity, we should book the profits. So here I will stop my recording. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and hit the like button and hit the bell button for more notifications. You can find some more live videos and more learning videos on this channel. Thank you very much.